I'm Jacob with National Fleet Products. Today I'm going to show you a loading ramp. You'll notice we have a high roof Ford Transit 250 with the new all-wheel drive option for 2020. This is quite exciting. You'll notice our ramp stows just behind the rear doors. It takes up nearly the full width that's available and length to give you the widest and longest ramp option possible. This ramp here comes with an optional perforated surface, and the width is a free and clear 47 inches wide to accommodate a wide variety of loads. Notice how easily and safely I can deploy this ramp. This ramp provides 126 inches. It's about 10.5 feet long and a very nice, gentle loading angle. Our signature feature allows the ramp to swivel out of the way. It provides easy and quick access. You can even use a forklift to drop a pallet into the rear of the van using this option. Quite unique, huh? And just like that, in seconds, the ramp is stowed, the doors are closed, and you're ready to go on with your day. Thanks for watching.